So when you first access your desktop screen, you might want to take a couple of minutes to familiarise yourself with the settings menu. Just tapping on the bottom right hand corner of your screen will bring up this particular menu, and what you want to look out for is you want to look out for the cog. The cog is what represents the settings menu, and this is where you can change a variety of things on your device to suit yourself. So as we go down the list, you'll see that the first section talks about the network for the Wi-Fi connection. We've got the Bluetooth connectivity, so you can connect Bluetooth headphones or Bluetooth speakers to the device as well. When you go down, it shows you which Google accounts that you've actually got set up on the device, because you can have more than one Google account as well. So this is where you would go to check what you have there. Moving up the screen a little bit, and just to show you as well, it is actually a touch screen as well, so you can navigate the screen by moving it up and down with your hands. This is the area where you can deal with the device itself, and you have nothing to lose by going in there and having a look and see what each option does. Then you just press the back button to go back to the main menu. So anytime you see a chevron pointing to the right, it just means that there's more options available, and then it tells you the name of the option that you're in. So to navigate back, you simply click the back button just there. If you want to personalize it and set your wallpaper and change the background color, you can do all of that. If you want to set up and use the search assistance and your privacy and security and privacy area, this is definitely worth looking into, and this is where you can change your PIN number if you've already set it up before and you wanted to change it on a 3-monthly basis, for example. Everything to do with your apps is located here, where you can turn off your notifications, or you can put a do not disturb on or anything like that, and each of the apps on your device can be adjusted independently by using the toggle switch. And then accessibility, if you feel the need to change your device for mobility issues, or if you've got a visual impairment or a hearing impairment, there are a lot of options in there that you can have a look at and have a play with for your device. Okay, so when you finish with that menu, you can simply press the X in the top right hand corner and it will close it out the way.